Should have known we were coming here, man.
I really didn't think you'd come because you think it's like hella childish. For
You're
real.
asking me to bring you here, innit?
I know. Guys, we're at Bounce Land.
What you trying to do?
Oh man. Oh man.
This young lady's birthday and she's been asking me to bring her here.
We're at Bounce Land. Thank you, baby.
It's the least I can do, man. What you talking about?
Oh man. We're at Bounce Land.
Bouncy Tim's.
Oh my god.
Let's do this. We got this for like a minimum of an hour, right? You can check it out and see what it's like. No?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Did it happen? What you say, man? What you say?
The basketball one.
You wanna go on the basketball one?
And oh man. And we can bring our kids here.
Oh, well, this one is vacant. We can do that here. No?
Yeah. Oh man.
You know it's still recording, right?
I know.
So, like, even that one, or the other one. Which one are you trying to go for?
The racing one.
Don't you wanna tell me that
The basketball one.
So trampoline first or pew pew pew.
Pew pew pew. Yeah.
Can we get tokens for the arcade things? What did you say is the max? So if you want to play one game, the one with the guns. Oh, you use basketball too. Okay.
This is like, I'm gonna go swim in there. Okay? Oh man, guys. I wanna go swimming.
And then next he doesn't pop up, this man.
I'd just like to say that I have the best boyfriend in the world. Because man has been hearing me cry about Bounce Land. And he brought me to Bounce Land and I'm really happy.
This one goes in something around there.
Tripula. Because we want to we bought 3 things from the
Where did I put the
but
tokens?
it takes around like 15 times.
How many tokens are those?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Only
5,
more minutes.
6.
Look, are you going home? Yeah. We're playing.
So how many tokens
Playing
does
on the
this?
trampoline. Tell us
Gang, 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 gang.
Let's do this way.
8, 16.
Only 5 minutes left.
You tell us where on this.
Yeah, okay.
Where on this cup.
Okay, no problem.
40.
Thank you, Muti.
Yeah.
When fun man.
I'm at Bounce Land, guys.
How much is 1,000?
1 bag.
Okay, cool. How many did you say we should get?
Can you bring back leftover tokens?
Yes, you can.
You get 40.
Okay, can I have 40?
How you feeling? They're pretty good shooter. They've got gun range.
Who?
You.
Oh, it's because it's like 10 times more to work since I'm shooting by myself, no?
Yeah. You gonna hit with one hand? Huh? Hit it. Yes.
I've been holding back all this time because I'm trying to damage their sheet. What if that's how they want to play it in the air?
Wait, is it done?
I don't understand,
I think it's done. La 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 la.
Where? Hey.
Look at that grown ass man. That's my baby. That's my baby. Hey everybody. We at Bounceland. Congrats. The world. Let's watch this. It is so awesome here. The world. This is what y'all call lazy basketball.
Baby, look here. Hey. Fam, I'm not gonna lie. This is my I'm finished face. I like right now I don't even have the energy to breathe. That's how finished I am. I'm using reserve energy to breathe, fam. What did I tell you?
Let me try. Yo, so close. Me, my baby. We've adopted a kid.
One more. Oh.
Hey. Is this what seasickness feels like? What's that?
Oh.
Yeah. B-roll. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What's going on?
Man, you need some help.
trust issues.